Question number 32. Does this function have any horizontal asymptotes? Horizontal asymptotes, really what this is asking about is what do we get if we do the limit as x goes to infinity of f of x, e to the 2x minus 3e to the 3x over 4e to the 2x plus e to the 3x. And then also we'll do the limit as x goes to negative infinity. So as x goes to infinity, e to the 2x and e to the 3x all go to infinity. So this is kind of like infinity minus infinity or infinity minus infinity. We need to do some manipulation here to figure out what's going on. Because as we will see, this actually does give us a finite limit. How to accomplish this? Let's multiply on top and bottom by e to the negative 3x. And so this is, why did I choose this? E to the negative 3x will cancel out the e to the 3x, and e to the 3x at the highest power of x here. And so when we crunch this out, we get the limit as x goes to infinity. E to the 2x times e to the negative 3x is e to the negative x, minus 3 e to the 3x times e to the negative 3x is just 1. Over 4e to the 2x times e to the 3x is 4e to the negative x, plus e to the 3x times e to the negative 3x is just 1. Now as x goes to infinity, e to the negative x, this goes to 0. And so this is going to be 0 minus 3 over 4 times 0 plus 1. This is negative 3. So we have found our first horizontal asymptote. Our first horizontal asymptote is y is negative 3. Now we also need to check. So far the answer is yes, it does have a horizontal asymptote. We also need to check limit as x goes to infinity of x goes to the negative infinity of e to the 2x minus 3e to the 3x over 4e to the 2x plus e to the 3x. Okay, what do we do here? As x goes to negative infinity, e to the 2x goes to 0, e to the 3x goes to 0. So we have like 0 minus 0 over 0 plus 0. Again, we need to do some manipulation. This time we're going to multiply both sides by e to the negative 2x. So e to the smaller of the powers. What consequence does this have? Limit as x goes to negative infinity, e to the 2x times e to the negative 2x is 1, minus 3 e to the x times e to the 2x is e to the x. Downstairs we get 4 times 1 plus e to the x. And now, as x goes to negative infinity, e to the x still goes to 0, and we're left with 1 minus 3 times 0 over 4 plus 0, and that's 1/4. So y is equal to 1/4 is our other horizontal asymptote. So a little bit of clever manipulation here in order to identify the horizontal asymptotes. Also remember, horizontal asymptotes, that phrase means limit x goes to infinity and limit x goes to negative infinity.